I'm Carter, and this is ham, this is beef, and this is Backflip. Okay, so we're going to be talking about Monster Jam today. And did you see this guy right up here? Yeah. I'm going to take him there. Just set him over here. And I'm going to set this. Well, this digger has a real working suspension, and I just got it today.
Was this the new digger?
This is my new digger from SpinMaster. He's a real working suspension. I'm going to set him aside. Get this dude. Got this guy. Get another digger. He came with the dude. Now I'm going to set the dude up here. Right on the digger. It's going to be over here. And let's talk about our other guys, like our little Max D and our big Megalodon. The first thing that we are going to open up is our Max D. So, get him open. There we go.
While you're doing that, let's see who else is on the back here.
Well, there's more guys on the back.
Bounty Hunter, El Toro Loco, Wonder Woman, Grave Digger, which we got, Megalodon, Pirate's Curse, and Monster Mutt Dalmatian.
There we go, we got Max D. And here we have the driver.
Each one of them are the winning driver. They got their hands up. See? And in the back it says you could get different drivers.
Mm-hmm.
You chose the two with the winning driver.
Yeah.
What else does it come with?
Oh, it also comes with a little poster. You open this up. The guys are in here, and we also have a poster on the back. Let's open this up.
Let's see it.
And here's the poster.
Nice.
These are the Happy Meal guys that I've got.
Well, they're the first ones to come out by SpinMaster, right?
Yeah. And here's the guys on the back. There we go. They didn't come out with the 2-packs yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
And we've got Max D, Digger, and I also got El Toro Loco. I'll be right back. Let me go get him.
So what do we got?
Well, so we've got a Son of a Digger, and we've got El Toro Loco. This guy came in a set, so he didn't come with a guy.
Okay.
But El Toro Loco did.
Oh, yeah.
So we've got 3 guys now.
3 drivers.
3 drivers and 4 monster trucks.
I like it.
Yeah. And you can see the drivers in the seats. You can see the drivers in there and over here. Max D looks cool.
He does look cool. Yeah, they got many drivers in there. It's cool.
Plus they got drivers on the top. Okay, let's set these dudes aside.
Okay.
Let's set them over here.
What are you getting into now?
Alright, so we've got this Grave Digger. Yeah, we're going to talk
SpinMaster Grave Digger.
Yep, he has real working suspension, and he does not have the guy in it.
No, but he's got the decals for his sponsors underneath on the chassis.
Yep. And today for a Happy Meal, I've got Megalodon. And just so you know, he does this. And he's not a punk, see?
He's just a regular guy.
He's just a regular truck. Set him over there. So let's talk about this gravedigger. Well, so we got his two lights here. Oh yeah, by the way, we've got this guy, got that digger.
Oh, look at the difference in size from the Hot Wheels.
The Hot Wheels are smaller than the
SpinMaster.
Than SpinMaster.
Yep.
And Digger's much facing down than this guy.
Yeah, he's got a little more
plus they got
lift in the back.
Yeah. And they've got
a little bit bigger tires.
Yeah, and the SpinMaster ones have square ones, and the Hot Wheels ones have round.
Yeah, they're squared off a little more.
More realistic.
Yes, a lot more detail.
Yeah.
And they got the chrome inserts under there.
What is chrome anyway?
That's the shiny. And the driver in the seat that we saw before.
Yeah. And so, well, so we have the Hot Wheels guy.
Very close, but
We've
they're
got
still
the
definitely.
Hot Wheels guy, but he does not have the working suspension. This guy doesn't either.
No. They're similar.
Yeah, they're similar.
More detailed suspension. Look at that. There's just more detail. Their exhaust.
Mm-hmm. Well,
all right.
So we've got the Max D. Max D is one of the small guys. Yeah, I like the Max D. I think he looks awesome. Look at the stuff on the top.
Yeah, he looks pretty good.
Pretty cool. Plus they're holding on to the...
They definitely did a better job with these.
Yeah. Yeah, so we got those SpinMaster guys. And, well, here's a Hot Wheels guy. I'm going to set him over here, too. You can also switch them up. Like, you could trick your friends with it. Like, you can make them think that this is the SpinMaster guy, but this guy really is.
Yep.
So you can switch them up. Because they're both the same guys.
Who's your favorite?
Gravedigger.
Yeah.
But my favorite for SpinMaster is Max D and Gravedigger.
All right.
Also Megalodon, which is who I'm getting the kinetic sand set.
There's a kinetic sand set.
Yep. And we've got the BKT tires. Yep. Okay, let's set these guys aside. And let's open up our big Megalodon. So, this might take me a second. I'll be right back.
So where did you get these guys today?
I got these guys at Target, plus the guy who works there gave us some guys.
Yeah, he had to get you out of the back. Had to get him out of the back.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Gonna open up our guy.
Pretty standard, similar to the other packaging.
Yeah. Okay. If you get this guy, this top thing might be hard to get off. Okay, now we have our perfect working suspension Megalodon.
Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
I'll tell you what. I like the wheels.
Yeah.
There's a better suspension, more definition. He's got all his sponsor stickers underneath there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so
You
we've
can just
got...
tell the paint job on it is a lot better.
Mm-hmm. So we've got Digger Big and Megalodon.
You should go get your other ones and compare them. Go get your other Gravedigger and your other Megalodon.
I don't want to do it.
No?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you should.
No, I don't want to. Okay, yeah. So we got these two guys.
They look good.
They are.
Same price.
Same price. Same thing. Same thing. Same price.
All right, should we go play with them?
Yeah, let's go.
So what do we got here? These are SpinMaster ramps, aren't they?
Yes, these are our SpinMaster ramps.
They came with a whole set.
Yeah. And, I can't remember, I don't know where the other pieces are.
It's okay, we can get that back out later.
Yes.
But, hold on, let's back up. Let's see how these guys work.
Okay, so let's first up Megalodon. Pretty good. Okay, well, let's try Grave Digger in the middle. Pretty good.
Not bad.
Well,
Even though those are built for the little guys.
Amy wants to say hi to some people.
How you doing, Ham?
Also, Blacktip. And beef. Okay, so please give us a like and subscribe. And we're not done with the video yet, okay?
All right.
Yeah. Forget about my dad. Welcome back. So I set up a pit party. Okay. And so we have L2 Loco, Grave Digger, Son of a Digger, Driver, and Maxty, and the Driver. And the Driver's here. And we've got our two guys over here. Here, yeah, so we're not gonna probably, yeah, I'm gonna keep them there. Mostly all of them are up there.
Well, let's see what these guys got.
Okay. Okay, pause the video.
So this launcher is part of the SpinMaster set.
Yeah. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, that was cool.
A
Some more in.
couple practice runs.
Ooh, that was good. That was another good one. Let's keep going. Damn. Oh, one more turn. If he lands it, he wins it.
That's a nice ramp.
He almost has it. Well, I'm going.
All right, so now we got to the bottom of it. There's a nice big ramp in here. See how all these things fit together? This is the new SpinMaster Monster Jam
And here's
ramp and backflip combo set that you can see comes apart as we were launching before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start launching guys through and over.
the backflip right.
That's right.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, look at how that guy comes flying out of there. Let's try another one.
Grave Digger's next. Ooh, nice landing.
Works pretty smooth.
You almost had it. By the way, after we're done with Son of a Digger, I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, nice landing. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a really special, two really special trucks and their Grave Digger. Okay, here we go. No speakers. Got it?
No peekers, huh?
Yeah. Okay, so we've got gold Grave Digger and silver Grave Digger.
Yes, those are originally from your, those are the Hot Wheels versions.
Yes.
Now, we don't know if we have those out yet for SpinMaster, and probably not, but
Yeah.
those are Hot Wheels.
Yes.
Gotta specify.
Like and subscribe if you like these two guys.
Yeah, give a big thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Almost done with the video.
Now, back to the other show. All right.
Yeah, okay, so we're done with the monster trucks right now. Just for
We
now.
are.
Just for now.
You want to show them how the backflip ramp works? I think we should see how this backflip ramp works.
Now we're going to...
Come here.
Alright, so this backflip ramp works like you're supposed to push the guy up. Okay, so here we go. Wait a minute.
Wow.
Wait a minute. 1 second.
Nice.
Feels like this.
That's pretty good.
Nice. Wow, that was only one. Oh, he almost landed that one. Yeah, so that's how the backflip ramp works.
Then you got...
A jump. So then we've got a jump.
Whoa.
That was what I did. Yeah, so we gotta jump there.
Those look pretty good.
Then jump right up there. Gotta jump here. Nope.
Now where'd you pick this one up? Where'd you pick up this ramp?
Hey.
Did you get this one at Target too?
Yeah, so we got this at
So all this came from Target, huh?
Yeah, and let's try it this way. Okay, so that works. Okay, this way.
Wow. We're going to have to put that in slow motion later. That was good.
Okay, so we're done with the trucks for now.
We are?
Yeah,
Now what?
we're done with the guys. Okay, so we have the guys.
Uh-huh.
These guys might need their trucks. These guys need their trucks. Tell us in the comments below if you guys like this. If you guys like all these monster trucks that I've just got today. And
Be on the lookout for more.
be on the lookout for more. They're at Target in the monster truck section.
Yep. They're just coming out.
They were just coming out. Today we just asked the guy to go out in.
He got him from the back for you, didn't he?
He got him from the back for us.
Yep. So. All right.
What do you like better, Carter? Hot Wheels or SpinMaster?
I like SpinMaster better because they make the bestest trucks.
There's more detail, right?
Yeah, there's more detail.
They look a little more realistic.
Much better toys.
Yep.
So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe
To my channel.
to my channel. Bye.